Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 5th, 2024, and we're diving into AeroVironment's fiscal 2025 second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. AeroVironment has reported some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. AeroVironment reported a record second quarter revenue of $188.5 million, which is a 4% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by a significant increase in their loitering munition systems segment, which saw a 157% rise. This was complemented by a 42% increase in the MacCready Works segment. However, the uncrewed systems segment saw a decline of 35%, which slightly offset the overall growth.
And what about profitability?
Net income for the quarter was $7.5 million, translating to an adjusted EPS of 47 cents. This is below the analyst's forecast of 0.66 cents, which was based on a survey of 3 analysts. The decrease in net income from the previous year is attributed to higher SG&A and R&D expenses.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the revenue growth, AeroVironment's gross margin decreased to 39% from 42% last year. What factors contributed to this?
The decline in gross margin is mainly due to a higher proportion of revenue from the loitering munitions systems, which typically have lower margins. Additionally, there was an increase in intangible amortization expenses. However, the company did benefit from favorable contract definitizations in the LMS segment.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from AeroVironment?
The company has a strong funded backlog of $467.1 million, up 25% from the previous quarter. They are also optimistic about their proposed acquisition of BlueHalo, which is expected to enhance their growth opportunities in the defense and intelligence sectors.
Strategic initiatives and market position. AeroVironment announced an agreement to acquire BlueHalo in an all-stock transaction valued at approximately $4.1 billion. How does this fit into their strategic plans?
This acquisition is a strategic move to bolster AeroVironment's position in the defense technology space. BlueHalo's portfolio complements AeroVironment's existing offerings, and the acquisition is expected to open up new growth avenues in key defense and intelligence sectors.
What are the expectations post-acquisition?
The company anticipates continued momentum beyond fiscal year 2025, leveraging BlueHalo's capabilities to enhance their market position and drive further growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, AeroVironment has reported a solid quarter with record revenue and a strong backlog, although profitability was below expectations. The upcoming acquisition of BlueHalo is a significant strategic move that could drive future growth. John, any final thoughts?
AeroVironment is well positioned in the defense sector, and while there are challenges, their strategic initiatives, including the BlueHalo acquisition, are promising. Investors should keep an eye on how these developments unfold.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AeroVironment's performance in the comments below.